Hello everyone, this is Jasper from PumpMac. In this video, I will introduce SDEC 6WTAA35-P310 pump drive engine. SDEC 6WTAA35-P310 pump drive engine is a 6-cylinder inline engine. The displacement is 35.1 liter. The overall dimensions of SDEC 6WTAA35-P310 pump drive engine is about 2,429 mm
by 1,422 mm by 2,019 mm.
And the net weight is about 4,000 kg. SDEC 6WTAA35-P310 pump drive engine comes with HengYang W28C electric unit pump and equipped with turbocharger. The emission standard is China Stage 3. The rated engine prime power range of SDEC 6WTAA35-P310 pump drive engine is 1,018 kW. The fuel consumption is about 259.2 liters per hour. All of SDEC pump drive engine can run at any speed between idle speed to rated speed. SDEC provides both radiator and heat exchanger cooling system for all pump drive engine to meet different customer requirements for different applications. The standard SDEC 6WTAA35-P310 pump drive engine comes with the following accessories: fuel filter, ECU, electric unit pump, turbocharger, oil filter. Thank you for your time with us. Welcome to contact PumpMac at any time. For more details about our company, products, and services, you are welcome to visit our homepage www.PumpMac.com.